guys, all we do is fun here with B.W.V, and we're going to be hydro dipping today. So, let's do this. Yay! First, let's do the phone case. That's looking pretty cool. I mean, we're only kids, but it still has to dry. Okay, next we're gonna do the golf ball, and we're gonna put the camera in the water, so this should look really cool.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, we finished the golf ball. It still has to dry, but it's looking pretty sweet.
What if we did a giveaway for the iPhone case?
The red and all that. Pretty sweet. Gonna let those dry. The iPhone case is looking pretty cool. Better than I expected. Just let that dry there. Yeah. Okay. Now, we're gonna try the fidget spinner. Okay guys, we are going to get all of the colors we can to make this fidget spinner super awesome. So let's do this.
Fidget spinner!
We got this fidget spinner. Got the hydro dip spray paint. Oh yeah. Just like push it down. And like push the bubble out.
Okay, looking pretty sweet.
Dude,
Gnarly.
let's sit it down on the table of wonders. Dude, this is pretty cool. These are basically dry. Okay, now look at this. You got the orange, the black, the silver. Let's look in the sun if you can see better. That's pretty sweet, guys. Now we're gonna let that dry and see what it looks like afterwards. Okay guys, it's all dry. Here is the golf ball. It's looking pretty sweet. The fidget spinner is definitely the best. It has like orange, silver, all that. Nike. And the phone case, which we won't have anymore. And the bouncy ball, which we did on Jed's channel.
A nice addition, my hand.
Yeah.
Well, come on.
Yeah, well there we go. Got the bearing, and we're gonna push that in there. Let's see if it works. That was a horrible spin.
Oh, jeez.
Dude, that's really cool. That's really cool. That's sweet. The fidget spinner is definitely the best.
Yep.
That's sweet, guys. Hey guys, thanks for watching. That was really fun to hydro dip stuff, and they're looking awesome.
Yeah.
And if you want to learn how to do this, how to hydro dip with spray paint, go to Jed's channel right here and subscribe to him, and subscribe to me right here, and check out my other videos down here. See ya. Peace out.